Hello people of the internet, this is Osric Vanderhurt coming at you with another YouTube video, and today I'm going to teach you how to install the AT Launcher. And now the reason I chose to do this video over anything else is because all of my friends have been having problems with downloading the AT Launcher. Either they don't read everything or just don't know what's going on with it. So today I'm going to show you just how to make it. So first things first, we got to go to the actual launcher page. So go to atlauncher.com/downloads. The link will be in the description below. And then you want to hit downloads, which will bring you to this page. And then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Well, I mean close to the bottom. And then you'll see this thing here called downloads. And it'll have the Windows format, it'll have the Mac format, and it'll have the Linux format. Now, I'm running a Windows, as you can probably tell. So I will be doing the Windows tutorial. Now, I don't have a Mac, and I haven't installed Linux yet on my computer. I was still deciding whether or not to dual boot. Still, a little shaky on that. But yeah, so I already installed the Windows setup. But all you do is just click this and then hit save file. Normal stuff, and then come up here. So simple. So I already have this open. So I'm gonna go ahead and we'll go here. Here's my AT launcher, and we'll pull it out to the desktop. You don't need to do this. Really, I'm just doing this so it makes it a little bit easier for you guys to see this. So here's my AT launcher, and I'm going to open it. And of course, you hit run. And this is the part where my friend's been having a ton of problems. It says, warning, I detected that you may not have installed this in the right location. The exe or jar file should be placed in its own folder with nothing else in it. Are you sure it's 100%? Are you 100% sure that's what you've done? So basically what it's done, it's detected this whole folder, and if there's a single icon or anything in here, it'll ask you if you want to put the setup stuff for it in here. Most of my friends have no idea what to do after this. So really what you want to do is hit whoops, I'll change that now. And now you want to create a new folder. So new folder. You can name it whatever you want. So I'm going to name it the launcher AT, because I have AT launcher over here, so it would be a little weird. So basically now you take this file and you shove it in this folder. Then when you open it up, you'll see the AT launcher is in here. Now let's go ahead and run it again. So you open it, run, and as you see, this time it doesn't give you the error. It actually starts to load it up. So now we're going to load it up and let it all get in the mod packs, and this is going to take a while for your first try. So I mean, first time doing it, it's going to take a little bit. Second time, it's going to be a while. Okay, so now we're here. Setting up the AT launcher. If you speak English, which is what I'm speaking, I'll choose English, but we also have not pronouncing any of these, because I'm going to insult tons of countries by doing this. That's Turkey, by the way. So I'm just going to do English, and then enable leaderboards. This is essentially like if you're like different mod packs that some people have leaderboards set to. I have never figured this out. You can check it or uncheck it. It really doesn't matter, so I'm just going to leave it unchecked. Then I hit save, and then now it's just loading up everything. So what you'll get here is the actual AT launcher. You'll see it has all the packs here. It's got your instances, which I don't have any right now. It's got your account, and then it's got these settings. Alright, so when you first get it, you'll be on the News tab. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to actually put your account on here, because as you can see, if I want to download the Sky Factory, I cannot create it because I don't have an account selected. And then if you see, and then if you see here, I don't have an account yet. So we need to go to account, and now we need to type in our Minecraft stuff. So if you were before I believe it was the 1.2.5 update, anything before that, you would put in your regular Minecraft username like that. Or if you were like me and hit forward after, you would put in your actual email and stuff. So I'm going to enter in mine, and I'm going to enter my password. And then you want to set to remember your password, because this is going to get really annoying when you try to go into a game and, this does nothing. Just if you want to edit different accounts you have, then you hit add, and then it's going to log you in, and it's going to see if this is a real account. And now, account, you want to switch to it, of course. And then here I am. This is my AE skin from League of Legends. I found it on the forums. I know, ignore me. So anyway, so now we're going to go back to packs, and I don't know. There's so many good mod packs on here that I find it crazy not to like all of them. But we're going to install one mod pack. just to prove this works. So basically, to install a new mod pack, you want to hit New Instance, and then, so for example, Sky Factory is one I'm going to download. You can change the name of it to whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. And then the version to install. I recommend the latest version, but sometimes the previous versions are better. In this case, with Sky Factory, the newest version is amazing. I totally recommend it. And then you can, and then if you have multiple accounts, like I don't, so I can do whatever I want with this. But like, let's say you have like another account, you can choose to install this for both people or just you. So like, it's kind of weird like that. But since this is just me on here, I really don't care. Install. So now it's going to install the pack, and then you'll get this. It'll have all the required mods on here, which you can't really do anything with. If you see I'm clicking, if you can't believe me, I actually am clicking. And there's nothing there. But here in the optional mods, I can actually click this and do stuff that I want. So normally with mod packs, you want to do like recommended, but with this mod pack, since there's only like 5 optional mods, if you want to run a server, you have to click all of these. For this specific mod pack. Now, there are different mod packs, different rulings, blah, 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 blah. But this one has a specific type thing. So, as you see, required mods can't do anything with, but you can see the list that's pre-installed. The optional mods are just extras that you add on. So, like, Vein Miner, that's if you, like, have an axe and you just, like, hold shift or something. What's really cool about Vein Miner is that you can edit the configs in-game instead of, like, exit out of your game and make this all take forever to load up. So, but you want to check all of these just for the specific mod pack, and then you hit install. Or you can also hit select all, clear all, normal stuff. So then you install it, and it goes through the regular install process, and it pops up in your instance. But as you see, I didn't install it because there's no point for me to install it because I have my other AT launcher. So I'm going to head on over to my AT launcher because I have a whole bunch of other mod packs installed on there. So I'm going to let this load up my one so I can show you what it looks like after you download the pack. Yes, just give it a load up. Okay, there's me. I'm logged in. My instances. Now, instances and packs are two different things. Let me also get into this. Packs are what is in the AT launcher that you can use. Instances are what you have installed on your computer. So don't get that confused. Some people do get confused very often, and I find it kind of... I mean, I understand this kind of confused me at first, because, I mean, it just kind of did. But then after I saw it in packs, it said new instance, and then there was no instances in here, I assumed that packs is what you have to go to first, then go to instances. So, as you see, I have all these packs installed. So, the pack we're working on is the Sky Factory pack. As you see, I have the latest version 1.2, and this is what it looks like after, minus all of these mods. So essentially, now it'll say, I mean, it should say new instance has been created, and it'll pop this up. This will be the only thing in your instances, whatever mod pack it is that you installed, and then you just hit play, and then it loads the world. You can also reinstall it if you have a problem with it, and you can edit the mods that are actually in the pack. So, like, let's say you want, like, why make good map. You can checkmark some of these, so I'll just do random ones. So let's say I didn't want any of these. I can choose to enable them or disable them. So I can disable all those, and now, ooh, they're all over here now. I can also re-enable all of them by checking everything that I checked off, and then enabling the mod. And if you have your own mod, you can also add it into the pack. So let's say, like, you won't need it for Sky Factory, but let's say just in general you'll need, like, oh, sorry about that. Like, let's say you need to, add, like, Optifine it, because your computer's a crappy potato, and, you just hit add mod, you select the mod that you want, which I don't have any installed right now, unfortunately, but then you select the mod type. Now, this is where it gets weird, because they have it for every single different pack. They have a texture pack, which basically is like, the textures that you see in game, the mods folder, which is anything with Forge, a jar mod, which I don't think they have that anymore. Like, after 1.5, I think they got rid of all the jar mods, because I don't remember ever doing that anymore. Because because I used to mod my own Minecraft, but that's another story. We also have the core mods folder, which we don't have that anymore, but this is for the 1.5.2 part. Shader pack, this is for like the shaders mod, resource pack is basically when you have a 1.7 pack, which is like the strawberry vanilla pack, which has been updated to 1.7. So this is the only pack that you would actually want to add on a resource pack, because the texture pack would put it in the texture pack folder, resource pack would put it in the resource pack folder. So anyway, that's just a little crash course on how to use the 18 launcher. I hope you guys liked it. Basically, welcome to Minecraft, or welcome to modded Minecraft, I should say. And yeah. So if you guys like the commentary, you like the video that you see, like it, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, whatever. Give me some feedback on how I did. And yeah, so this is Ojek Vanderhart signing off. Take it easy, guys.